Today, we will take you behind the scenes of an egg production factory and reveal the remarkable process of how eggs are made. Join us as we explore every step of this journey, from farm to market. Our journey begins in a carefully maintained poultry farm, where hens are raised in a controlled and comfortable environment. Here, they receive the necessary nutrition, veterinary care, and a conducive setting to lay their eggs. The farmers closely monitor the hens, ensuring their well-being and productivity. The cage floor is sloped so that once an egg is laid, it automatically rolls into a conveyor belt. The eggs are then carefully transported to another, larger conveyor belt, leading to the packing room, where a series of processes ensure their quality and safety. In the cleaning and sanitization area, the eggs go through a meticulous washing process. Advanced machines gently cleanse the eggs, removing any dirt or impurities, guaranteeing cleanliness and hygiene. Next, the eggs undergo a process called candling. An automated machine with bright lights illuminates each egg, allowing inspectors to detect any irregularities. Eggs with cracks or other imperfections are promptly removed from the production line, ensuring only high-quality eggs make it to the market. After candling, the eggs move to the grading and sorting area. Here, the eggs are categorized based on their size, weight, and quality. Skilled workers and specialized machines perform this task with great precision, ensuring that each egg meets the specified standards. Once sorted, the eggs are meticulously packaged. They're carefully placed in cartons or other suitable containers, ensuring protection during transportation and providing essential information for consumers, such as expiration dates and farm details. Packaging is an important step, as it not only ensures the safety of the eggs, but also serves as a means to communicate important information to consumers. The packaged eggs are then stored in climate-controlled environments to maintain their freshness. These climate storage conditions help preserve the eggs' quality and extend their shelf life. From here, they're distributed to local markets, supermarkets, and other outlets, reaching customers far and wide. The process of egg production combines the expertise of farmers, the efficiency of automation, and strict quality control measures to deliver fresh and nutritious eggs to consumers. The collaborative efforts of skilled professionals and modern technology play a crucial role in ensuring that the eggs we enjoy are of the highest quality. Eggs, nature's gift, transformed by the efforts of dedicated poultry farmers and the efficiency of modern factories, continue to be an essential ingredient in countless recipes, nourishing us all. Their versatility and nutritional value make them a staple in kitchens around the world. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.